In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your resume on LinkedIn. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is crucial for making a good impression on potential employers and networking contacts. So, whether you're actively job hunting or just keeping your options open, refreshing your resume on LinkedIn is an important task. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's website by typing in linkedin.com. This will bring you to the homepage where you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn interface. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Usually, it's a small version of your profile picture. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various account settings, but for now, we're focusing on updating your resume. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all your account settings, including privacy controls and data options. Once you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a new page with several tabs. On this page, you should see a tab labeled Data Privacy. Click on this tab to explore the options related to your personal data on LinkedIn. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings as they control what information LinkedIn retains and how it's used. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled Resumes and Job Application Data. This is where LinkedIn stores resumes you've uploaded for job applications. Click on this section to reveal more options related to your uploaded resumes. Here, you'll see a list of resumes you've previously uploaded. Find the resume you want to update. To the right of this resume, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is a common menu icon used to indicate more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. In this menu, you'll find the option to delete. Click delete to remove your old resume from LinkedIn. Don't worry, this step is necessary to replace the old version with the new one. Confirm the deletion if prompted to ensure it's completely removed from the system. Now that your old resume is deleted, it's time to upload your new one. Stay in the same section and look for the Upload Resume button. Click on this button to open a file browser window. This window allows you to navigate your computer's files. Select the resume file you want to upload from your computer. Once you've found the file, click Open. LinkedIn will then upload your new resume, replacing the old one. Make sure your new resume file is updated and formatted correctly before uploading it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your resume on LinkedIn. Remember, keeping your resume current on LinkedIn is key to maintaining a professional online presence. Regularly update it with new skills, experiences, and achievements to reflect your best professional self. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy networking.